Well, thanks. It's my privilege to have a chance to be here with you today and share some thoughts about particularly what's going on as it relates to cloud computing and what we're trying to do as it relates to Azure. The big theme that people in our industry are talking about is cloud computing. Most of the big themes, intelligent devices, the move, the change in corporate data centers, social networking, all of these phenomena, you can view them as all separate, or you can choose to have a little bit more integrated view of the world. And I think they all relate to the same basic trends. And the basic trend is, how does our world change as PCs, phones, and TVs come together and participate in one common world of information? And they can morph, they can become bigger, they can become smaller, they can become room-sized, they can become laptop-sized, they can become pocket-sized, they can have all kinds of shapes and sizes, but you want to share and participate in the same information, the same ecosystem. How do we all connect differently with the people on the planet? How do we connect with the information that is interesting to us? And how do we bring together all of the computing resources in a way that's more fundamentally agile and easier to write programs for than ever before? So that convergence of phone, PC, TV, internet, corporate computing, people, data, I like to call all of that the cloud. The cloud enhances our social and professional interactions. Just like the world's information will become a resource that we can use, so will the world's people. What's the hottest new enterprise product for Microsoft in the last 5-6 years? SharePoint. SharePoint has taken off quite dramatically because it turns out SharePoint has so far been an inside the enterprise infrastructure that helps bring people together. It helps you write programs that bring people together, and it helps you write programs that bring people and data together. Hundreds of thousands of servers serving hundreds of millions of customers around the globe with applications that are being updated very, very quickly. Every day there's new websites coming on board. Every day there's new Twitter feeds. We're indexing them, bringing new things. That's a pretty real-time environment. We couldn't possibly afford to run those services with the same technologies even that we've been selling you, as good as they are, for your own data centers. We need a different kind of operating system that lets you build applications that can be updated more quickly, deployed more quickly, deployed with greater elasticity, better geo-replication. So the cloud is changing the way we think about the server operating system, even the hardware. We're trying to bring on data center capacity very quickly. Well, all of us have data centers. You build the data center, it takes, whatever, a year of construction, and then after you're done building it, you got to have the servers and you got to set them up. We need to have data center capacity be almost like a commodity. We do, and you do too. And the best way to get there is to rethink the data center.